Hello everyone. Here is how we're starting on the Inventor project. This is architectural detailing assignment and it's a millimetric design. There has to be at least three parts drawings and one assembly drawing separately saved from each other. And here is how we're doing. We're starting Inventor either from the virtual desktop, Windows virtual desktop, or from the classroom laptops. And you go to File and you click on the New, and this has to be millimetric design. So when you click on the File New, you're going to have a number of templates, and you go to metric template, English US metric template, okay? And you're supposed to select millimeter IPT, the one on the right side. Click on it, okay? And create. We're going to do this 3 times for each part, okay? Be patient. All right. So the first part we're going to be creating is we have to select a plane first. Okay, so why don't we select XY plane, click on it on the left side and create a sketch from the plane, click. And this is a standard approach in Inventor. You always select a plane first because you could select XY plane, XZ plane or YZ plane. XY plane is the way you're going to assemble it. You choose most convenient plane. And if it's not the most convenient plane, then there's going to be a little bit more work later on. So that's why we're choosing XY plane. But it's not the end of the world if you choose the wrong plane. That's all right. So now we're going to create a rectangle. And the size of the rectangle is 117 by 39 millimeters. Okay. So let's look at the rectangle options. I choose 2-point and center rectangle, and I'm selecting the center point. Now computer gives me the length of it, and the total length is 117. Hit the tab key. And the height of it is going to be 39 millimeters. Enter. Okay. All right. So this is our block, and we're going to have 3 of these, but not in the same drawing. So this is going. I'm ending this, finishing the sketch and extrusion. Extrusion will be 13 millimeters. And computer gives me a chance to extrude, and I'm going to type 13 here and OK it. Two-way extrusion and OK it. And take a look at it in 3D view. All right. And again, we look at the top view, the front view, click on the surface. Okay, we're creating, or we can go to the same sketch and redesign it, or we can just recreate on it. Let's do something easier. Go back to the original sketch, double click. Okay, and this design, there's a notch inside. And then I want to create another rectangle. And center point. Okay. And the length of the rectangle, 40 by 14. So I'm just typing 40 for the length. Press the tab key and 14 and hit the enter key. Okay. All right. And from here, we need rest of the notch. Okay. So it's going to be we need to draw a line from here to the left. So it's going to be notch is going to be 7 millimeters. Okay. Enter. And it's going to be 12.5, 12.5 this way, and 14 millimeters this way, and click. Okay. And this is the notch part. Then we need to trim off some of the lines here. And we need another notch. Seven to the left. And 2.5 up. Enter. 14 to the right. And 2.5 down. Okay. Now we need to trim this off. Okay. Now we can do the extrusion. And okay. All right. Last thing to do before we save it. Select the material. It's going to be wood. I want you to choose three different kinds for three parts in order to keep that in three different kind of wood, types of wood. Okay, let's go with the walnut. And walnut is dark color and it's easy to separate it, I think, and we're going to save this now. So the other parts are going to be similar to this. And thank you for watching for the first part.